Hello students, welcome to our TEJAS series. Those were the questions for today. So as always, we'll be solving the first question first. So both the questions are from algebra portion, but second one is quite exclusive. Okay, so of course, second pe to we will be coming at the second step. Let's solve the first one. See, in first question we are given that p square plus q square is equal to 4, and at the same time we are given s square plus t square is equal to 4. P, q, s and t are all real number, and this is some expression capital P. We have to find its maximum value. So how will we start? See, whenever we have an expression in the form of x square plus y square is equal to r square, so of course that's a circle, and see, the hint here is that we can start with this parametric form. So I can replace x by r cos theta and y by r sin theta. All of you must be knowing it, isn't that? So I am looking at it exactly in the same way. So I will say, okay, to start with I will say, okay, let p be 2 cos theta, q be 2 sin theta. Similarly, for the other set, s square plus t square is equal to 4, we can say that let s be 2 cos phi and t be 2 sin phi. Now let's start. So now I will say, okay, let's start. So therefore I will say capital P is 1 minus 2 cos theta into, it's 1 minus p into 1 minus s. So 1 minus 2 cos phi plus, now it's 1 minus q into 1 minus t. So it's 1 minus 2 sin theta, which is q, and 1 minus t, which is 2 sin phi. Just open this expression बच्चों. तो आप open करेंगे से, so when you will open it, what will you get? 1 and 1. There is 2 minus 2 cos. So I will take minus 2 common, which is cos theta plus cos phi plus 4 cos theta cos phi. Here it will be minus 2 common, sin theta plus sin phi, and then plus 4 sin theta sin phi. Now there are several ways in which you can move ahead. See, the one I will suggest you and the one which I chose is, I will collect the terms cos theta sin theta at one place, cos phi sin phi at one place, and these two at one place. So what am I going to get here? So I will get here, so therefore my P is 2 minus, as I said, I will collect these two terms at one place, so it's minus 2 cos theta. See, I will tell you, or you yourself will come to know why am I doing it. Similarly for sin phi, minus 2 cos phi plus sin phi, and as I said, the remaining two plus 4 times cos theta cos phi. See, that makes sense, isn't that? This one particularly, because this leads us to an identity, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, which is cos A minus B. But why these two? Why these two? Because we have to find the maximum value of P, and we know their ranges directly, isn't that? We know that cos x plus sin x, its range is minus root 2 to plus root 2. So now, since we need maximum value, so if I write it once more, if I write it 2 minus 2 times, I am writing it quickly, cos theta plus cos phi minus 2 times cos phi, rather it's sin theta here, I am sorry. So cos theta plus sin theta, cos phi plus sin phi, and now bachcho, and this is plus 4 times cos of theta minus phi. See, the way they got arranged, it's really beautiful. Why? What is its maximum value? It's 1. And when is it? When theta is equal to phi. Okay, to get maximum out of it, it should be, the range of this is minus root 2 to plus root 2. Okay, so I should take, to get its maximum value, I should take its value to be minus root 2. And when it is minus root 2 when theta is 3 pi by 4, isn't that bachcho? Theta is 3 pi by 4, or it will be minus root 2 when rather it's let me take it, not 3 pi by 4, it should be in third quadrant when both are negative, minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, so it's 5 pi by 4. Similarly, this will be maximum again because it's minus 2 times, so the entire term will be maximum again when this is minus root 2. Okay, and when is it the case? Again, when phi is also 5 pi by 4. So theta is automatically getting equal to 5. So it will automatically lead to its maximum value, which is 1. So put this all these values together. What the maximum value we get here? So we get here as 2 minus 2 root 2, rather plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 4. So it's nothing but 6 plus 4 root 2 here. So it's 6 plus 4 root 2 here. So since we don't have any such option, so according to me the answer is none of these. So the answer for this one is, the maximum value is 6 plus 4 root 2 bachcho. Okay, so that was the solution for the first question here bachcho.